Is it bad that I'm really thinking about getting a part-time housekeeper again? I had one in Florida. It was super useful. But is it bad when I'm in a 1-bedroom studio apartment and I technically work at home, so in theory, I could always be cleaning? Is that bad? Okay, so today's goal is my weekly errand day. It's a day that I usually don't have much to do online, so I reserve it for getting all the things done. At this new location, I have 2 extra errands that I have to do, and number 1 is laundry. I don't have my own washing machine, so I take it to a nearby laundromat, and I pay to have them clean it versus my doing it myself. Obviously I'll end up paying a little bit more, but I'm not in the mood to sit at a laundromat anymore. I did that during RV life, and yeah, if I don't have to, I'm not going to. So I believe it will cost me for a full, like a gigantic load in the $6 range. So once a week, $6, again, that does add up, but I think it goes to a good cause, which is me not waiting around in a laundromat. The other new task we have to do today is to get water. I'm gonna get the big old, I don't even know if it's a 5-gallon, maybe, jug, and get it refilled. So we use approximately 1 a week. I kind of want to get a second one, honestly, because I feel very short-handed now that it's at the end of the week. They're heavy, and for right now, I'm not gonna do a delivery service, but in the summertime, I predict delivery service. And the last one, which I try to do, of course, every week, is my weekly grocery shopping. So today we're gonna go to the Chedraui here. Last week we went to Walmart, so I'm gonna check it out. Specifically, we're hoping that we can find Alex's cheddar cheese, because Walmart here has sliced cheddar cheese, but not block. And I tend to use cheese in a decent amount of recipes.
Sería para mañana.
Okay.
Mañana.
Gracias. Okay, the Lavanderia. You pay by the weight of your items, but you do pay extra for, like, if you put in a blanket or sheets, linens, those cost extra, but everything else, towels, your normal clothing, is done by weight. Here, I seem to be paying 14 pesos a kilogram. I tend to average apparently 8 kilograms, so I always take it in the morning, and then the first day he told me I could come back at 8 o'clock at night, and then the next day, the next time that I did it, he told me it would take until the next day. So basically a 1-day turnaround. They give you a ticket like this that lets you know how much you're paying for it. So again, mine was 8 kilos at 14 pesos per kilo. So 112 pesos is what I'm gonna pay. You get it first. Grab a new one. Gracias.
De nada.
Freaking heavy.
Mom, language.
It's very heavy.
Exactly.
Okay, quick water update. I literally only had to go get my own water one time because right before that water bottle was empty, my host, my Airbnb host, like, gave me a gift. just decided that, hey, it's too hot in the winter, which I completely agree with, but she just decided to start giving me water. So she like is cool with me just texting her and letting her know whenever I'm out of water. I put my empty bottle outside and then she has somebody deliver it for me. I don't know, maybe she saw me carrying it in that one day and she's like, oh my gosh, this girl needs help. But for whatever reason, I'm like eternally grateful that she is getting my water for me through a delivery service and kind of wrapping it up with thread. So yeah, I didn't take any videos of the grocery shopping because I felt like that's pretty common sense. Like there's nothing extraordinary with how I go grocery shopping. The only thing is I still walk. In the summertime, I might get an Uber such a short distance, or what a lot of my friends here seem to be doing is they actually get their grocery delivered to them through Rappi or some other online service. So once it gets crazy hot, that's probably what I'm going to do, but for now, I just do my own grocery shopping. I do have reusable grocery bags because number one, the grocery bags here are much more flimsy than what I'm used to in the States. So especially if there's any kind of weight or if there's anything boxy, the chance of that plastic ripping is much higher. So I always bring, or if I forget, I will buy a reusable bag so that I don't have to worry at all about anything breaking. The only other chores, of course, that I do are house related, like, you know, sweeping and mopping. All right, so that's it for my chores that I do every week. If you've got any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to message me below and I will get back to you.